everybody? I'm here today with a video tutorial on the Fitbit Charge 4. In this video, I will specifically be showing you how to change the strap or watch band on the Fitbit Charge 4. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So, as you can see, if you want to change the strap or band, I say watch band, but in reality, it's more of a fitness tracker than simply a watch. So if you want to change the strap or band on the Fitbit Charge 4 for a larger or a smaller one, or one of a different color or design or material, it's actually really easy to do. And believe it or not, believe me or not, I should say, believe it or not sounds a little better. There are many different options for straps and bands that you can choose from. There are so many colors, sizes, materials, looks, designs, lots of aftermarket ones that you can choose from. So, you can really spice this thing up. So you're going to flip it over and look at the underside. You're going to know you're looking at the underside because you're not looking at the screen, but instead you're looking at the actual tracking sensors right over here. Now you'll notice that on either side of the fitness tracker, so on either band, okay, there's a little notch. And guess what? If you take your finger and you press down on that notch, you can pull the band away from the actual unit. So push down on that little notched piece right over there, push down, pull this away, done. So you can take your old band and you can go ahead and you can swap it out, and when you get your new band, you simply push it in place. So you don't need to press anything now, you push it in place. And make sure you hear the click, pull it away to make sure that it's nice and snugly in place. I'll show you what the other side right over here. So at this side, the same thing. You push down on that little notched piece, just like that. Push down on the notched piece and pull it away. Sorry, I got to get a better angle right here. There you go. Push down on the notched piece and pull it away. And you'll notice that when you push down on the notched piece, what's happening is you're getting those little clips and you're sort of pushing them in, and that's what's holding the band in place. Okay, you can see they just clip into there, right over there. You can see right over there at that angle right there. So you're just pushing those in. It's that simple. And when you want to replace it with your new band, you just push it in place and listen for it. There you go. A nice click. Pull it away. Make sure you do it with both bands so you know you're good to go. You know it's nice and snug and secure. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.